रिटायरमेंट प्लानिंग इन 15 मिनट्स। हाँ सच्ची, इट इज पॉसिबल यार। वीडियो पूरा देख लो, आपको खुद ही समझ में आ जाएगा। आज मैं आपको एक स्ट्रैटेजी बताने वाली हूँ जो ये रिटायरमेंट प्लानिंग का प्रोसेस आपके लिए एकदम सिंपल कर देगा। प्लस आई एम गोना गिव यू सम बोनस टिप्स व्हिच विल हेल्प यू accumulate this corpus and use it in a way that you never run out of money. First things first, आपको फिगर आउट करना है कि आपको रिटायर कब होना है। Now most people think that this number is related to your age, like for example 60 or 65 years of age, but this number is actually not related to your age at all. You can retire anytime as long as your retirement corpus is ready. That corpus should be at least 30 times your annual expenses. Now for example, your annual expenses are 12 lakh rupees. That's an average of 1 lakh rupees a month. Then you can be ready to retire when you have 12 into 30, which is 3 crores 60 lakhs stashed aside. Now I know that 3 crores 60 lakhs seems like a very massive number, but actually if you invest just 25,000 rupees a month in a basic index fund that gives you around 12% return and step this up by 10% every year, you will reach this corpus in 18 years. So even if you start at the age of 32, at 50 you'll be ready to retire. Isn't that amazing? Obviously this is assuming that there is no inflation, that your lifestyle expenses remain the same, and that you're able to get that year on year 12% kind of return. But you get the point, right? Chalo maan lo that you were great with your savings and investments for 15-20 years and now you've reached this corpus. But then what? How do you use this corpus in a way that you never run out of money? Now that's the focus of today's video, and this is what we call the 3 bucket strategy. Now you must be wondering ki ye strategy kya hai yaar? So let's dive in. The 3 bucket strategy simply divides your retirement corpus into 3 separate buckets that take care of your cash flow needs during different periods of your retirement years. This strategy basically takes care of 2 things. 1, that you get a steady monthly cash flow to take care of your expenses. And 2, the rest of your corpus remains invested so that it can keep growing. Now each of these 3 buckets is based on a specific time horizon and serves a specific purpose. This strategy was first suggested by Harold Evensky in the 1980s. Now let's see what these 3 buckets contain. Number 1, liquidity bucket. This basically focuses on your immediate and short-term cash flow needs. For example, your emergency fund, healthcare expenses, and even your monthly expenses. अभी इसका focus growth नहीं है. It is to provide you with liquidity, and therefore it has to be accessible and safe. Now you can consider putting it anywhere in a short-term FD or a debt fund like liquid funds or even your savings account. Mind you, since आप इस bucket से payments करेंगे, it is very important to replenish it from time to time. Number 2, safety bucket. Now आपको immediate cash का तो solution मिल गया. Now we have to plan for the next few years. You need this money to beat inflation, at the same time remain safe, so that even if there are any ups and downs in the market, you can weather the storm. The safety bucket is also known as the medium term or the intermediate bucket. Now you can invest in all the places shown on the screen so that you can beat inflation as well as make sure that your money is relatively safe. One thing to keep in mind is that these medium term options may have a lock-in period. You need to be able to withdraw from the medium term bucket to replenish your liquidity bucket. Number 3, wealth creation bucket. Now this bucket only focuses on growing your money. In the long term, you need to be able to take advantage of the power of compounding and make sure that your money beats inflation. The first 2 buckets, that are the liquidity and the safety buckets, take care of your needs for the first 5 to 7 years of your retirement. The wealth creation bucket takes care of your needs beyond this period. These investment options are great for the long term. Basically, you don't want to depend on them in case you need cash immediately. Their job is to grow your money. From time to time, money from the wealth creation buckets must be used to replenish the money in the safety and the liquidity buckets. It's basically like a waterfall where money needs to keep flowing from one bucket to another. This strategy will help you arrange your money systematically so that you can retire in peace. Planning for your retirement is definitely not easy. चलो मान लो कि planning हो भी गई जल्दी से, but execution करने में you're gonna take some time. Now we've given you a broad framework to work with. So get going and start planning for your retirement. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.